Join us as our guests will be reading a book and making traditional snack. We will be having rhymes about bonding with your child.
Hello everyone!
And welcome to CLASP Early On.
Journey to Learning program.
My name is Brunella.
And my name is Lobna. Bonjour mes amis, bonjour mes amis, bonjour mes amis. Hello my friends, comment allez-vous, comment allez-vous, comment allez-vous? How do you do? Ça va bien merci, ça va bien merci, ça va bien merci. I'm fine, thank you. Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? Quel âge as-tu? How old are you? Bienvenue, bienvenue, bienvenue. We welcome you. And the big hug.
Hello! How are you today? Bonjour! Comment ça va aujourd'hui? Welcome back! Bienvenue! Today, our guests, Lubna and her daughter Noura, will be reading excerpts from a book called Under the Ramadan Moon. It's written by Sylvia Whitman and illustrated by Sue Williams. Lubna and her daughter Noura will be making their traditional snack during Ramadan. Also, we will be having rhymes about bonding with your child. Interacting with your child can develop all kinds of skills, such as fine motor skills and social skills. Serve and return relationship can strengthen your child's brain in the early years. This authentic relationship can help your child's emotional regulation. And now it's time to go to our guests, Lubna and her daughter Noura. They will be bonding together by reading excerpts from a book called Under the Ramadan Moon. Are you ready to join them? Est-ce que vous êtes prêts? Allons-y.
Hi everybody.
Hello everyone, I am Lobna and this is Noura, and today we are very excited to be with you to talk about the holy month of Ramadan, the 9th month of the lunar year. Today we will know more about Ramadan from the story we will read together. It's called
Under the Ramadan Moon.
Under the Ramadan Moon by Sylvia Whitman and illustrated by Sue Williams. Let's read it together. We wait for the moon. We watch for the moon. We watch for the Ramadan moon. Can you see the Ramadan moon on the table? Yes, this is Ramadan moon. We fast by day under the moon, under the moon, under the Ramadan moon.
We eat at night under the Ramadan moon. Under the moon, under the Ramadan moon.
We speak kind words and stop bad habits under the moon.
We hang bright lights under
And be
and they
sweet to eat
under under the Ramadan moon.
Yes, we hang bright lights and bake sweet treats under the moon. We crack nuts and drink hot tea under the moon. So,
We tell stories and
laugh.
laugh and play under the moon.
Yeah. The end. It's a very lovely story.
Bonding is nurtured through reading together. Limit the distractions around you. Slow down. Show flexibility. Offer encouragement. And ask open-ended questions.
We're going to make a famous dessert in Ramadan.
What you're going to use for that? How you're going to make
So
it?
what we're going to use is we're gonna use dates. This kind of date, these kind of dates that we have don't have seeds in it. Okay? So we need melted chocolate and we need sprinkles. Okay? So first you take a date. So you dip it in the chocolate, the melted chocolate. Just take the excess off, okay? And then you dip it into this. You dip it in. Actually, you pour it on top. You just sprinkle it on top all around, like that. And then you put it aside.
Perfect. It looks so delicious. Can I make one?
Sure.
Yes. So we take the date, we dip it into the chocolate, and
Then
we have to
let's-
make sure it's better, like no seeds inside. And then we take it and put some sprinkle on top. Mmm, yummy. And leave it aside. It looks so yummy and delicious, and it's beautiful too.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Nora, for this nice dessert, and thank you everyone for having us. Special thanks to Miss Lobna and Miss Bonella for having us today, and Ramadan Mubarak. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bonding is nurtured through cooking together. Be creative in the recipes you choose. Have your child choose a recipe this time around. Cooperation, taking turns and measuring. Learning together, learning new skills in the kitchen. And offer observational comments that encourages your child's efforts. Thank you, Lubna and Nora, for your story time and for your delicious recipe. It's wonderful to see how you've taken the time to spend together and to share with us your celebrations. And that's it, time. Time is one of the greatest gifts that you can offer your child. That bond between you and your child that's formed during the time spent together lasts a lifetime, and it helps form and build healthy relationships and connections. The bonding formed between you and your child supports your child's self-worth and happiness, and it can be offered in the most simplest ways during your everyday activities. Try adding nursery rhymes to your daily routines. This small amount of time leaves a large and positive imprint on your child's development. Around and round the garden, like a teddy bear. One step, two steps, tickle them under there. Around and round the garden, through the wind and rain. One step, 2 steps, tickle them once again. 2 little eyes to look around. 2 little ears to hear each sound. 1 little nose to smell what's sweet. 1 little mouth that likes to eat. As your child grows, you can begin to ask them, what do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? What's your favorite food? Arms up so high, now down so low. Give 'em a little shake and hold them so. This is my right arm. Hold it flat. This is my left arm. Just like that. Right arm, left arm. Creep them out like a little bug. Bring them in, and now let's hug. To speak to an early on resource consultant, call the Child Supports Brief Consultation booking line at 905-795-3527 at extension 3550. For more information on mental health, please visit www.everymind.ca. To view more videos like this, and to join our live Zoom sessions, and to view our daily activities blog posts, please visit our website www.plasp.com/earlyon.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stomp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stomp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, goodbye. Goodbye. And the big